Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with me. I am Dr. Gurjeet and most of you have come to know about me till now, and those who do not yet know, please subscribe to my channel Greenland, IELTS and Immigration Services, and do watch my videos if you want to know about IELTS, more about IELTS. Today's video is going to be about the structure of a map, and you can also watch the previous two videos on the map, because in those videos I have explained those vocabulary and structure and diversity of the sentences or the variety of the sentences. Today's video is about the detailed structure, how to actually attempt a map. Thank you. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is regarding map and it's the third video. In the previous two videos, I have explained the structure of a map, how to attempt map, what are the rules and how many paragraphs we are supposed to write. And in another video, I have given you the vocabulary and all the types of sentences and the sentence structures. And today we are actually gonna write the entire map. So let's begin. Here are two maps. What we must see at a first glance, what we must see is what are the maps regarding, such as whether the comparison is about past and present or it is about present and the upcoming time or the future. So this map is regarding, it's a map of a biomedical campus. This one is the present map and this is what the planning is supposed to be or what changes are to be made in the coming future. I stressed one thing, time is not mentioned here. Present is given, but these are the predicted changes, but the year is not mentioned. Please take care of that point. Okay. So the question is, the diagrams show the present and planned developments of the biomedical campus of a university. This is one of the campus in a university. This is the diagram, planning this year. So we have to summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. In the previous videos, I have told everything about the rules and the paragraphs which we are supposed to write. Those who have not yet watched the video, please do watch the previous videos, those who want this video to be helpful to you guys. Okay, so step 1 is the introduction of the structure of the map. As I told you, in introduction, we have to paraphrase the statement or the question given to us, which I had already written. So we have to paraphrase that statement. So I have written, the map illustrates the present, because one of them is in present, another one, present layout of a biomedical campus along with the changes, jo bhi changes plan kite, changes proposed. These are the synonyms which you can use. You can either use the word proposed, changes which are predicted, changes which are anticipated for the future. So this completes our introduction, that is step 1. So step 2, as explained in the previous video, is your overall. Okay, so what is an overall? In short, I will tell you, overall is the major changes which we see in the map that we have to mention in the overall. Those are the general changes and the major changes. We don't have to write the small or the minute details of the maps in an overall. Please keep this in mind. The major changes which we see, we have to write in an overall. Okay, what do we see here? The main thing, what I can notice here is, if I take an overview of both the maps, here there are lot many number of trees and I find very less or approximately, you can say no trees here in the northern side of the map. Okay, what else I can see is, here only there is a car park, and if I come towards this future planned map, there is one genetics department and another I can say is bioimaging. That means what I can make out of this is, the number of departments have increased. Okay, one more thing, car park is here. Okay, car park is already here. Addition of car park is here because in this map there is no car park. Okay, another one, genetics is almost divided into two departments, that is genetics 1 and genetics 2. Lab is as it is there. Okay, biochemistry department, I guess the size of the biochemistry department is predicted to expand in the plant biomedical campus. Okay, what else we can see is this road connects. So what can we think or what can we write for an overall is greenery is almost lost, or it is predicted that new departments will be built in the northern part of the campus and greenery would be lost. And another thing is number of departments are expected to, or number of departments are predicted to increase in the plant biomedical campus. That is what is the overall, because the major changes or the general changes which you have to mention here in the overall are this only. Rest of the details we will mention in paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. This is how we write an overall. Overall, it is clear that many changes have been planned. The primary change will be expansion in the number of departments. That means कि ਜਿਹੜੇ departments ने ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ number future ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਏਗਾ, because ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ bioimaging department ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, genetics 1 ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ department ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. Okay, and construction of a new car park. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ car park ਸੀ, and in the plant biomedical campus there is one more staff car park, and ਉਹ car park student car park से change हो गई, but that is a minute detail, we will not mention it in the overall. Major change is कि एक car park और add हो गई, and construction of a new car park. Moreover, greenery would be lost. It is almost lost. Here number of trees are shown, and there only one tree is there, and here 2-3 trees are there, but no tree is shown in this part of the map. Greenery would be almost lost due to some new additions. So this is all about the overall. So now we have to, after the overall, we have to mention the details of the map. You can zoom your laptop or phone, whatsoever gadget you are having, to note down the paragraph I have mentioned here. So this is body paragraph 1. Looking at the map in more detail, it can be seen that presently, in this paragraph, I have explained this present biomedical campus, and in another paragraph, that is body paragraph 2, I will explain what are the changes which are predicted to take place in the biomedical campus, because those are the planned changes. So at present, that presently the campus is divided into two halves by a road. So this road divides the campus into main two halves. This is the northern half and this is the southern part. Okay, the northern half has a car park. The northern part is having a car park in which direction? That is the east direction of the northern half. Please take care of that. It is the eastern side of the northern half. If I would have taken direction from the center, this direction would have been northeast. So since I am explaining the northern half of the map, the north part the east part hai, northeast nahi enu kehna. Okay, so this campus is divided into two halves. Northern half has a car park in the east, but the rest of the area is occupied by the trees. The rest of the area is occupied by the trees. Road again road I have already mentioned कि इस road ने इस map नु two halves दे विच divide करता. So I am done with this portion. Okay, now comes the southern half. The southern half is further divided into, हुन southern half नो एक north south walkway ने divide किता. That is the southern half is divided into की कह सकती है मैं west and eastern part by a walkway. ਹੁਣ west part ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ? The west part या western half is having biochemistry department, okay, along with some few trees लिख सकते हो. The eastern half is having two departments, that is genetics and biotech. What we can see similar in both the halves is the presence of a lab. तो इस चीज का sentence ਆਪਾਂ कितना लिख सकते हैं? Both the halves have a lab. ये मैं वैसे लिखा, but do not write in small letters only. Both the halves has got in both the halves there is presence of a lab. So we have completed this. Each and every detail we have mentioned और इन्हों आपा दो parts divide करते सी. Another paragraph, body paragraph 2, will be the predicted changes in the biomedical campus. Now I come to the planning of the biomedical campus for the future. You can zoom or pause the video if you want to have a look at the paragraph and how to write the sentences for the future planning. Many changes have been planned for the future. Firstly, a car park in northern half would be renamed as student car park. In this portion, this car park ida naam badal ke change kar deta. Student car park size is almost same. It's just slight modification in the diagram. Car park has been car park it would be, because it is about the future planning, car park would be renamed as student car park, because इधर सिर्फ नाम change करके student car park कर देता है. So we'll use the word renamed. Please pay attention to this. Okay, next. And a new triangular car park will be built in southwest of the campus for the staff. New car park would be built, direction is southwest. If we consider this as the center, so whatever is there in this direction, it would be southwest. So a new car park which is meant for the staff would be built in the southwest direction of the campus. Because I am talking about the campus as a whole, so I am talking about southwest direction, ना कि इन्हों में west या east नहीं कह रही, because it is regarding the campus. Campus no mention करके मैं the direction mention की थी. Another planning is addition of new bioimaging department. Here, a new bioimaging department would be built in the future, and since it is in the center of the map, we'll mention that a new bioimaging department in the center of northern half, or it's better to write northern half since it is almost here, not exactly in the center, or you can more or less write in the center also. Okay. The biotechnology and biochemistry departments, both the departments, biotechnology and biochemistry, you can have a look here. This biochemistry department, the size would be expanded, and in biotech also, this is gonna become almost H shape, but we'll simply write both the departments, biotechnology and biochemistry departments, they will be expanded, means another size बढ़ जाएगा, and a new genetics lab will be built in the northwest. Do not write NW, because write full northwest due to shortage of space I have written. In the northwest corner, a new genetics department will be added, or will be built, or will be constructed, whatever is your choice you can write. And a new genetics lab will be built in the northwest of the campus. Again northwest ता करके क्योंकि पूरे campus दी गल की थी. Finally, the road dividing the campus into northern and southern halves, write full words northern and southern, due to shortage of space I have written NNS. Northern and southern halves, it would be removed. So the road which you saw here in the present campus, it is not planned in the future biomedical campus. So the road which divided the map present biomedical campus into northern and southern halves, it will be removed in the future biomedical campus. And friends, I hope you have understood the whole video, and if you have liked my video, please press the like button, and if you have any query regarding this video, or you want me to make new video on something, any kind of map you want to, you can mention in the comment section below. Thank you.